come and attempt to make a drink with me, but it's like 50-mile-per-hour gusts. I just had a guy order a transfusion, so let's attempt to make this. Ice. Okay, and this is a single too, so. Okay. At least some of the alcohol got into the cup. Now time for the ginger ale. This is the Shasta brand. Dump that in. My trash bag is going everywhere. And then grape juice. Grape juice. Okay. Cups are flying out of my cart. Oh, my lid flew away. So we'll grab a new one. There we go. And then the straw. We got these new paper straws. Oh! And the straw. Mix that all up. Whew. And cheers! Let's hope I don't fly away.